Few people know how effective this combination is against ticks. It's 10 times more powerful than store-bought products. Start by preparing a plastic container with a measuring scale so you can easily measure the ingredients. Pour in about 7 ounces of alcohol. Alcohol preserves the mixture and helps it spread evenly. Transfer the alcohol to a glass bottle. Add 3.5 ounces of cloves. Cloves have a strong, spicy aroma that ticks absolutely hate, making them incredibly effective. Seal the bottle well and place it in a dark spot for 4 days. Shake it daily to help the ingredients blend. You'll notice the liquid darkens over time. After 4 days, strain the mixture through a sieve to remove the solids. Add 4 tablespoons of baby oil. This will make the spray gentler on the skin and easier to apply. Pour everything into a spray bottle. Close it, and it's ready to use. Shake well before each use and spray it on exposed skin, especially hands, legs, and neck. This is a powerful and natural tick repellent, free from harmful chemicals. You'd be surprised by how powerful avocado really is. If getting out of bed or walking feels like a challenge, this natural method could change everything. Doctors often recommend avocado for its impressive health benefits. While the fruit is beneficial, the seed holds even greater value. The flesh is rich in nutrients, and seed actually holds more than 70% of the fruit's antioxidants. Even supports collagen production, making it ideal for joint care. Don't toss the seed away. When the avocado is ripe, open it up and peel off the seed's skin. Then chop it into small pieces. Just be careful if it's firm. Put the pieces into a jar and cover them with high-proof alcohol or clear spirits. After 24 hours, your homemade remedy is ready. Soak a cotton pad in the liquid and apply it to sore joints or muscles. Use it before bed on your knees, wrists, or shoulders. And with regular use, pain may become a thing of the past. This simple 2-ingredient remedy could be your answer to joint relief without costly medications. Apply it to your knee and cover with plastic wrap. This natural trick solves an annoying problem. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of turmeric. It has strong anti-inflammatory properties that support joint health. Add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline to deeply moisturize and soften the skin. Then, pour in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, known for aiding skin regeneration. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Its exfoliating properties improve circulation and help nutrients absorb better. Mix everything into a smooth paste and apply it evenly to the aching knee. This method helps me when my knees give me trouble. Wrap the knee with plastic wrap and leave it for 30 minutes to allow the ingredients to absorb. After that, remove the wrap and wipe the skin with a damp cloth. Regular use can significantly relieve pain and improve movement comfort. This is a natural joint compress that supports recovery. Put this under your feet and see what happens. You'll be surprised. Take a medium-sized plastic bottle and fill it with water, but not to the top. Close it tightly and place it in the freezer for a few hours until the water freezes. Remember, water expands when it freezes, so don't fill it completely. Once it's fully frozen, take it out. Sit comfortably on a chair, place the frozen bottle under your feet, and roll it back and forth. You'll feel instant relief. This massage reduces pain and helps your feet recover. Fatigue disappears. Rolling loosens tight muscles and tendons, improving flexibility and mobility. It stimulates blood flow, reducing swelling. A simple frozen water bottle reduces pain, eases inflammation, relaxes muscles, and boosts circulation. Try this easy method. Your feet will thank you every day. I apply rosemary to my knees. This way, I stimulated circulation and, most importantly, eliminated knee pain. First, prepare a few sprigs of rosemary. Then take a small bowl, pour in warm water, and add the rosemary. Break it into smaller pieces to release more of its beneficial properties. Next, pour the mixture into an airtight container and seal it tightly. Let it sit for one day so the ingredients can blend well and become more potent. The next day, you can start using this natural remedy. You can rub it into your knees or other areas that need improved circulation. Regular use of this mixture not only stimulates blood flow, but also relieves pain and reduces inflammation. It's a quick and simple way to achieve healthy, pain-free knees and feel better overall. Rub a potato on your feet. My grandma's trusted trick for smooth, well-cared-for skin. Cracked heels can be uncomfortable, but this simple method will quickly restore their softness. Start by preparing a medium-sized potato and grating it finely. Place the grated potato in a strainer over a bowl and press it with a spoon to extract the juice. Pour the liquid into a separate container. Now, take a lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze the juice from one half into the potato juice. To enhance the mixture's effect, add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste and mix everything well until smooth. Next, take the empty lemon half, dip it into the prepared solution, and use it as an applicator. Massage the mixture into dry, cracked heels, focusing on the roughest areas. After a few minutes, wipe your feet with a tissue and rinse them with water. The result? Soft, smooth skin ready for summer. Try this easy trick and enjoy silky feet all season long. A beautician showed me a sock trick. Take a mismatched sock. Don't throw it away, just cut 5 slits in it. Then, roll the sock and slip it onto your foot so your toes stick out through the holes. This simple trick protects the skin on your feet from UV light, exposing only your nails. You can cure your gel manicure without unnecessary UV exposure to your skin. This is important because UV radiation damages collagen and elastin, leading to loss of skin firmness, wrinkles, and discoloration. While UV lamps used for manicures have much lower intensity than the sun or tanning beds, prolonged exposure, especially with frequent use, can increase the risk of DNA damage in skin cells, potentially leading to skin cancer. 5 unusual uses for coffee you've probably never heard of before. Sprinkle coffee over candles. The result will surprise you. Melt white candles in a pan. Remove the wicks and prepare a decorative container. Pour in the wax, add cloves and ground coffee, stir, and insert the wick. Once the wax hardens, your candle is ready. Its aroma of coffee and cloves will help you relax, boost focus, and even repel insects. This homemade remedy will make you look at least 10 years younger. All you need is egg white to tighten the skin, a spoon of instant coffee as an exfoliant, and a spoon of honey. Mix the ingredients, apply the mask to your face or hands, leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. The result? Nourished, radiant, and smooth skin. Pour vinegar into coffee. This combo works wonders. All you need is 300 milliliters of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of coffee, and 1 tablespoon of table salt. Add 100 milliliters of dish soap, mix it well, and pour into a spray bottle. Spray it on dirty surfaces and wipe with a sponge. This homemade cleaner removes grease, burnt residue, and buildup, leaving everything sparkling clean. Pour this mixture onto a burnt pot. It'll look like new. Mix 2 tablespoons of ground coffee, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Apply the paste to the burnt spots and let it sit for a few minutes. Scrub with a sponge and watch the stains disappear. Your pot will shine again. Brew coffee like never before. With this unusual method, you can enjoy a clean cup without any grounds. All you need is a paper towel, a rubber band, and ground coffee. The paper acts as a filter, trapping the grounds while you enjoy a rich, aromatic drink. A simple way to rediscover the joy of coffee.